How to fix Roblox auto close issue Windows 11 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Roblox auto close issue Windows 11 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what you need to do is just head over and just do the Windows R option and then search for local app data. As you can see, here it is. So just click on Roblox right here and then delete it. Then after you have deleted it, that should be able to fix your issue. However, if that still doesn't fix your issue, what you need to do next is to just clear the cache of your Roblox. So just head over to your browser and then from in there, just head over to your Roblox and then right click and then click on this settings right there. And then this will direct you to your settings. So just click on the privacy and security, then click on cookies and other site data. So from in there, you can allow all cookies and then just scroll down until you can see all site data informations. So from in here, you can just search for Roblox. And then once you have seen Roblox right here, you can just clear the app data of Roblox from in there. Now, if that still doesn't solve your issue, what you can do next is to just search for control panel. So let's search for control panel right here. And then from in there, just click on install a program under the programs. And then just search for Roblox right here. So let's search for Roblox until you can see it. So once you have seen your Roblox, which is right here, you can just click on it and install it. Then after you have uninstalled it, just search for roblox.com/download. And then you can see it here right here. Just click on download now right here and you should be able to download Roblox, and then after that you just need to install it. Now after you have done that, you just need to head over again to your Roblox. So let's search for Roblox right here that you have recently downloaded. So just click on open file location, then right click on the Roblox player, click on properties, and then from in there you can see this compatibility. Just make sure to just run this in 640 by 40 screen resolution and then run this program as an administrator. And after that, just click on apply and then click on OK, and that should be able to fix your issue. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Roblox auto close issue Windows 11 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.